Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, what's up? Hiya. I hope you're gonna I hope you're going to subscribe to this channel, okay? Yeah, so today we're going to this spa for the first time in my freaking life. I'm going to be going for some facials. Yes. The reason why I've been postponing this thing is because I've not seen anyone around my area, but finally we saw one last week. So we're going there to go and see for ourselves and get these things, these tiny rough gallops off of our face. So yeah. It on big bro. So stay tuned as we you're mad. Hi guys, we are trekking to the salon.
Well, the Dragon's Club today.
Apparently, the stupid place that went for the facials did not have the facial share. Be waiting. See, my record, Babe. Hi. Hola. Say hi. Say hi. Hi, people. What's up? It's my baby. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. It's our AA babies. Our AA old baby. Hey, stand up. Let them see you.
Heaven say marriage from this. She's now a grown-up woman. Wow. I am determined to give you a good life. Wonderful wife to a lucky man.
Hi. Hi, baby.
Why are you talking about marriage now?
Hi, guys. So today is Friday and something I ordered just came in. I don't know. I ordered a backdrop, which I don't know where when I'm going to be using it. See it here. Very, very long. You guys can't even see the full length, but this is the backdrop. But the one I'm most excited about is this one right here, this tripod. I've been looking for this tripod everywhere. Okay, let's be sincere. I've actually seen it so many places on Instagram, but their prices are ridiculous. This Instagram people, there's a place I saw it 10K, 10,000. I don't even answer those people. I just left them. Then just yesterday, I believe day before yesterday, yeah, day before yesterday, I saw this page. They sold this thing for 6,500. I just had to grab it. I saw it on Jumia, but I saw it on Jumia for 2,000 something. But you have to order it from outside. You have to pay for a different kind of delivery. That will amount to that price. So now I have a better vlogging tripod that I can actually be proud of. Let me show you guys the one I'm using. The one I've been using. That's why I've not even been filming cooking videos and all of that. This is what I've been using. This one, and it's already loose, but thankfully you have this one. I'm excited. Hi guys, so another delivery just came in and I wanted to show you guys. You guys already know where I shop from. Nice clothes for DK. So this one that we used for photoshoot came in. Comes with this top and this one and the trouser and this cute PJ that is going to be rocking this night. He's so cute. He's a trouser. This is also a PJ, and this one. They are so cute. Joyful kiddies. And you know this bag. You guys know this bag from the pictures. You follow me on Instagram. Don't follow me on Instagram. I don't know what you're doing. No, I don't know what you're doing. Follow me on Instagram. This. Then our auntie added a cute birthday gift for him. Thank you. He's sleeping right there. So yeah, that's the second delivery that came in today. I'm still waiting for my dresser. Okay. Hi guys. So we just finished at the hospital. We went for immunization. Okay, say hi. Say hi. They not give him injections, so that's why he's having face to, act like Oga that he is not. Anyways, I want to go and get him his birthday gift. I've not gotten his birthday gift, and I want to get him that pad, that children's pad that used to have all this nice music in clips. And don't worry, I'll show you guys. So that's what we're going now to the supermarket where I'll get it. So yeah. So you guys, we are done from the hotel. You guys seeing this building that at the back? So lush, yes. So beautiful. So beautiful. Such a beauty.
I think it's a fact.
Oh yeah. See this father and son moment. She kind of did. Say hi. Hello, people. Hola.
Look at he's so tired and
Please leave. Hey. Hi guys. We are at Rufus and I don't want to talk. Eh? I don't want to say anything. I don't want to say anything. I don't want to say anything. Hi guys, so this is the next day after the spa day, and I want to show you guys my face. I don't know, I was injured, sha, but she really like picked all the, what are they calling it, she scrubbed off all the tiny pimples that used to be here. I don't know what I'm supposed to be expecting, but as you can see from here, I'm, sparkling, but my forehead, Jesus, this forehead anyways, I want to show you guys some things. My friends sent me, sent DK some gifts, and I'm about to go do that thing. Sent some gifts, and I want to show you guys what they sent. These girls, I don't know what.
this bitch is crazy.
The delivery man called me. I was like, "We are from sister," and so I'm like, "Excuse me, which place?" And I said, "You should just
order it.
as in, he should just give it to the security man. I'll come and take it." So this is what we got.
Sorry, baby.
They didn't put the note. I wouldn't even know that it was from them. It's from natural. Sorry, it's from natural nourishing baby care. Blah blah blah. So this is what we have inside. We have this soap. I think this is soap. What is organic something? She has been telling me about this product, Sha, but I wasn't paying attention. So she tried to gift us with it. Those two girls. Thank you, my babies. We love it, and it smells so nice. This is shea oil. This is the baby cream. Focus. Focus. Baby cream. And here is some things about the products. Okay, and this is the card that came with from Amara and Precious. My two mad girls, I love you guys. We are going to be seeing you guys very soon. Oh god, let's light up this last semester that is about to go down. Yeah, so that's it about this ones. We just came back from the you guys I went back to the supermarket to get that tab for DK, and they still do not have it. I don't even know what to do again, and I just need to be distracting him whenever I'm kind of busy, but we couldn't get it. But we got some things from there. I got this skin active cleanser, makeup cleanser. I got this foot cream. I don't know, my foot is cracking somehow, so I need to start taking care of my foot. And I got this Old Spice roll lasting stick deodorant and some booty bands. So yeah, I don't know. That's that. That's about it, you guys. I just came here to end this vlog and tell you guys that we're heading back to school by the end of this weekend, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this vlog. That's that about this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Please subscribe, share, leave a comment in the comment section, Jesus, in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye guys. I'm so tired. Bye.
Alright, alright.